Hello glass industry and welcome to our first video. I'm Mark from glassopenbook.com and today I would love to talk with you about digital marketing and how the glass industry can benefit from using all these modern tools and services provided on the internet. Now, obviously there is a reason why I'm touching this topic. You're all aware of this terrible coronavirus situation that's happening in the world right now, and it puts huge pressure on the businesses, and the glass industry is no exception. In fact, the impact is so immense that the supply chains are broken, contracts are being cancelled, and the overall financial situation is quite alarming. But don't you worry, keep calm, it will finish someday, and to get ready for the demand boom, here at Glass Open Book we decided to do everything possible to support the glass industry companies by providing our services completely free of charge. Now I will explain you in details. What is Glass Open Book? For those of you who don't know yet, Glass Open Book is the digital platform which has been designed specifically for glass manufacturers and glass manufacturing suppliers and service providers. It's a platform which allows you to showcase your best products and services or browse for those others are offering and overall make your company more visible online. Now, why do we believe so much in these industry-oriented digital platforms like ours? Because in comparison to the traditional business events such as exhibitions, conferences and even membership meetings, the digital platform is invulnerable to such unpredictable calamities as we have today. And it allows companies to showcase their best products and services 24/7, 365 days a year. And don't be afraid to unite. We have to face the fact that digitalization and cooperation are the keystones to the better future. And with this coronavirus situation, it's the most suitable time to realize this. And to take this challenge, Glass Open Book is here for you. Try it now for free by adding your company and I swear you will not regret it. And for now, take care and stay tuned for the next videos where I will tell you how to take the full advantage out of marketing tools available on glassopenbook.com.